Hey everyone, ready for a super simple, incredibly healthy and absolutely delicious meal? Today we're making a vibrant chickpea and lentil salad that's perfect for any day of the week. It's packed with plant-based protein and fiber, making it a fantastic choice for meal prep or a quick nutritious lunch. You'll need 1 can of chickpeas, rinsed and drained, and 1 can of cooked lentils, also rinsed and drained. For freshness, grab a cucumber, a red bell pepper, and some cherry tomatoes. Don't forget a handful of fresh parsley for that bright herbaceous touch. First, dice your cucumber and red bell pepper into small bite-sized pieces. Halve your cherry tomatoes. Now in a large bowl combine the chickpeas, lentils, diced cucumber, bell pepper and tomatoes. Give it a gentle mix to distribute everything evenly. For our dressing, whisk together 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and a pinch of salt and black pepper. This simple dressing brings all the flavors together beautifully. Pour it over your salad and toss well. Finally, stir in your chopped fresh parsley. This salad is ready to enjoy immediately, or you can refrigerate it for up to 3 days, making it ideal for meal prepping. It's so satisfying and bursting with flavor. Give this recipe a try, and let me know what you think.